Hi, I'm Vishnu and I am 2020 passed out. I have been from mechanical stream, and after completion of my mechanical stream, I don't know how to kickstart my career. So I have joined Qspiders for starting my career in software industry. So after joining Qspiders, I have been attending the first course as manual testing. And great thanks to Alvin sir who have taken manual testing for me to develop my confidential and communication skills by doing regular presentation, and also I have to thankful for Harsha for reaching me out to basic core Java topics, and I have to thank especially HR Karthik sir who have intimated about the interview slot. And once again, I have been thankful to Qspiders for starting my career in Integra.